Hey you, in today's video I'm taking my 50 best spices and I'm putting them all in one place so that it's functional for me. So if you want to see satisfying organization, then just keep on watching. Starting off with some jars that I got on Amazon. I got 30 for $18 and I bought 2 packs, and this is perfect because it's the right amount of space for all of my spices to be in one drawer. They did come with caps, and as you can see, my spices are out of control because I have so many. So let's get started. I try to hold it together, keep it together, then playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? So you can see when I first started, I was pouring the spices or the seasoning directly into the jar, but then I got smart and I looked for my funnel, but I couldn't find it. So I just used a crystal gravy bowl because it has a spout. But you can use a picture, anything that you have that just has a spout on it, because these drawers are tiny and that's why I'm able to fit so many spices in one drawer. I definitely would recommend a funnel. So I'm going to fill these drawers up and then I'm going to label as I go along, and I highly recommend this because so many spices look very similar to one another, such as chili powder, paprika, or mustard and coriander. So you really do want to label as you're going along so that you don't have to try to remember what's in each jar. And these jars did come with labels, so I just used those. I think I will go back later on and do my own labels with my label maker just so they look more uniform with the font that I really like. But temporarily, this is what I did. And if you're interested in these drawers, leave a comment below and I'll link it for you. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it. Let's do something we'll regret. Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret. 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. When you're doing this, don't worry too much about the spills of spices inside the drawer, wherever you're doing it. What I did later is use my handheld Dyson and I go in and vacuum it up. But you can do this on the counter, or if you do it inside of the drawer, you can just take out all of the jars, wipe it down really good after you're finished, and then put them all back.
Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be you. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight.
I'm keeping them stored face down because I love seeing all the colors of the different spices. And also, I wasn't too crazy about the cap color. I know that I can paint them if I want to, but again, I like seeing all the colors of the spices, so I'm going to keep mine face down, and that's also why I put the label on the bottom as well, so it doesn't block the view of the spice within the drawer. Because I cook a lot, I don't really have to see the labels. I kind of know what spices are what by the color and the look of the texture of it. But if you need to keep them stored cap side up, that's fine as well. It's just I prefer to see the color of all the spices. And that's why it was absolutely important to me to have clear glass jars so that I can see everything that I have and use everything that I have instead of everything being on a lazy Susan in the pantry. I kind of know it's there if I can remember that I bought it. I don't know how long ago, but I prefer to have them all in one place. I can see everything, and it's just so much more functional for me.
Baby, you light me up. I just can't get enough. 'Cause I need your fire. So come and light me up. I still need your fire. Baby, I still want you by my side. Light me up. Let me touch the flame now. Baby, I'm your Phoenix tonight. Come on and rise. So come on and rise. Come on and rise.
So I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, my name is Brittany. I am a homebody and a mother, and I do lifestyle and homemaking videos here on this channel. So if you like this sort of content, hit the red subscribe button down below for more content like this.
He's making me blow my mind and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all, I'm being honest. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Can't along side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do, my love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, my love, my love, my love.
So once I got to the end, I couldn't believe that I had 50 spices and seasonings. I did take my Dyson to it again just to clean out all of the spills, but I'm so pleased with this drawer. I can see everything that I have, use everything that I have. It's so pleasing to the eye. I highly recommend this pretty much DIY. I mean, it's so simple and it was really inexpensive, and I even have room to add more and 10 leftover jars as well. So this is the final look, and I really love how it came out. I highly recommend having one location where you can see all of your spices and seasonings, and if you have a lot of them, keeping them in a drawer so that it doesn't take up pantry space or counter space. Just look how great it all looks. I'm so excited about it and ready to get cooking again. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Again, give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and I hope to see you in the next video. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful. Mwah. I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all. Yeah. He's making me jump from high.